Hello my dear friends, I am Samir Desai representing AIMS IBS B School Bangalore. In this session, I am going to tell you 21 reasons why you should select AIMS IBS B School for your MBA program. First one, Industry Integrated MBA. Industry Integrated MBA always has an edge over conventional MBA. Here, there is a profile analysis, skill gap analysis and industry analysis which helps students to scale up to the industry demands. It also involves global certifications, students exchange program and industry internships. Second, Roots to Fruits induction program. It's a 4-week induction program where it allows juniors to cope up to the new environment, adjust to it, make new friends and learn the management principles from the day one. Faculty of national and international repute. AIMS IBS B School Bangalore consists of faculty who have published papers in national and international publications and also who are the domain experts in their chosen field and who can mentor the students to scale up to the industry competency. Outbound and adventure learning activities. In this, the student is thrown a challenge by the adventure activity and they learn the management skills, team building skills and the leadership skills. Innovative and contemporary pedagogy. In this, our students are given the platform to present papers, attend technical fest, management fest, international conferences, internships, and go through various skill development certifications. A unique SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is very much important for a management graduate to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats while at work. This activity is being monitored by senior faculties and corporate executives to bring in the expected and the creative value-added output. Mentoring minds by industry experts. AIMS IBS pulls in industry experts where they transform the knowledge, help the students to choose the different career alternatives and guide them till they get placed. Next one is dual specialization. Today's youth are young, energetic and dynamic. They want to explore the fields and choose the right job based on their interest. Dual specialization helps the students to develop multiple skills and be industry ready and also recession proof. Live and capstone projects. These projects help the students to understand the real-time challenges they face while they are at work. It helps them to develop decision-making ability, problem-solving ability, working in a dynamic environment with high team spirit and troubleshooting. Campus to Corporate program. This is one of the very interesting initiative by AIMS IBS where the student tells which company they are interested in and they build their capabilities based on the specialization and the companies they have chosen. Global exposure. Industry certifications and exchange program with the global exposure enable the students to be mentored as future global Indian. Education 4.0 and Industry 4.0. This enables to bridge the gap between industry and academics. It enables students to be equipped with industry required skills. Industry Experts Talk. Our MBA program is a perfect blend of theoretical and practical sessions. We invite various speakers to conduct sessions on important topics like business analytics, data science, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, Six Sigma and project management. Employability assessment, JD analysis and soft skills training program. Our scientifically designed employability assessment tools help the students to analyze aptitude, attitude and soft skills, which help them to prepare for the upcoming placements. We have an excellent track record of 100% placements with over 90 plus companies participating in the placement process. With companies from industry sectors such as finance, IT, consulting, healthcare, travel and tourism, energy sectors coming in, it provides students with various opportunities to get placed in the specialization they want. Strong alumni network. With our alumni working in 13 countries and 23 cities and annual meets and regular alumni talks help the students to get the overview of corporate world. Annual events and events of the month. AIMS IBS's Cultural and Technical Fest provide the students an environment to perform, develop positive spirit, leadership skills and team building capabilities. Industry internships. We provide students with industry internships in leading MNCs across the globe. We also arrange regular industry visits and trips so that they get the practical value and exposure. Scholarship and recognition to meritorious students. Recognizing meritorious students is an initiative of AIMS IBS management to help the students with a financial aid so that they do not lose an opportunity to learn, exhibit and perform due to any constraints. Orientation program on how to choose specialization. Our mentors help the students and guide them to choose the right specialization based on their aptitude, aspirations and ambitions and make the right decisions while they choose. Program with immense return on investment. AIMS IBS MBA programs provide students with immense value, employability skills and also opportunity to work in last semester, help the students to take up jobs and clear the bank loans without the help of the parents. Hope these 21 reasons help you to determine why AIMS IBS is the best college for you to do an MBA. Thank you.